What's going on, guys? In this video, I'm going to be talking about affiliate marketing, the three things I wish I knew before I even get started. All right. So before we get into things, if this is your first time to my channel, I just want to say an absolute welcome. I want you guys to stay until the end because I'm going to pack this video with everything that I wish I knew about affiliate marketing. All right, because I've been doing this since 2017. So I want to share this with you. So if this is your first time and if you're a beginner, I want you to make sure you grab a pen, grab a paper, because I'm not going to miss out on anything. And of course, you still got to learn along the way as well, because my experience could be completely, absolutely night and day from your experience. But I'm going to try to see if I can touch on the three most important things I wish I knew before I get started. So if this is your first time to my channel, I want to say absolute welcome. Hit that subscribe button, smash that like. Let me know in the comments where you're watching this from. I always want to know where my viewers are from. And also for my regulars, I want to say welcome back. Happy to have you here. And I'm always providing new content, new videos to inform you so you guys know exactly what's going on. So let me just jump into things. So the first one, number one, before you even start affiliate marketing, what you should know, right? The first thing is, what is affiliate marketing? So affiliate marketing is basically you make money and you sell other people's product, right? So you sell other people's product. So the good thing about affiliate marketing that you don't have to create your own product. The product is already tested, the product is already proven, and what you do, you are an advertiser for these companies. So most of these companies already set up everything. So they set up everything, such as like most of them, some of them probably have like landing pages, marketing materials that you can use already. So the only thing that you need to do is drive traffic from whatever different platform it is to that specific product or services that you're trying to sell, right? And then once you drive traffic in, driving traffic meaning you're going to tell people about it, send people to a specific website. When that person or the people who you send to that specific website decide to make a purchase by taking out their credit card and make a purchase, that company or that program will issue you and they will compensate you just for sending them customers, right? So let me break it down in the most simplest and the most easiest way, because this one I'm creating this video for someone who's completely new. So let's say you have your favorite restaurant and you always tell people, hey, go to Aunt Joe's restaurant, and you keep sending people to Aunt Joe's every single time. But did Aunt Joe's pay you? No, I don't think so. So companies, instead of them hiring like billboards and put it on the radio and all that kind of stuff, they find people like me and like you who's probably just about to start affiliate marketing, right? And they would rather pay you because people buy from people who they like, know, and trust. It's just that simple. All right. So that's the first one. Make sure that, that's the first thing. The second thing that you need to know before you even dive into affiliate marketing, right, is you have to choose a niche. Pick a niche that you love. Pick something that you are comfortable with, something that you want to put your name on, something that you believe in, and something that you want to represent. Many people I see, the first thing they start to do, they go out and they find different affiliate networks, and because it looks so good, nice, hot, shiny object syndrome. I always say that. It looks so good that the first thing they're like, oh, look at this. Let me just go promote Claritin. And then they jump over here and they're like, let me promote this. I don't even know. This is my wife's stuff, right? So they go all over the place and they get so confused. I'm going to give you the three top niches that you can pick from. The first one is like dating and relationship. That's like the huge one. Dating, relationship. There's so many different sites out there that, people go on. Let's say, for example, for example, let's say mixed match, or I don't know if it's a mixed match, or couples dating or Christian dating, right? That's one of them. These are like dating relationships. There are so many different sites out there that you can actually promote. And promoting this, whether it's going to be on different traffic platforms, which I'm going to be talking about, and then they will compensate you just for having people to sign up. It's incredible, right? The next one is number 2 is health, wellness, and fitness. People always want to get in shape, right? I go to the gym as well. Yeah, I go to the gym as well. I work out a little bit, but at the end of the day, people want to be healthy. People always want to lose weight. People always want to get into the best of shape, right? So those are hot niches that you're going to pick. And the last one is the make money and wealth investing niche. I love that niche because it's amazing, right? Because who doesn't want to know how to make money, right? And if you could show people a way how they can generate income, especially a passive income or an income, how you can use like affiliate marketing, and whether it's going to be Shopify or whether it's going to be drop shipping, or I just love affiliate marketing because I don't have to create any products. I don't have to deal with customer service and all that stuff and refunds and everything. Like, I leave it up to the companies. I just market that specific product, send people there, people buy, I get paid, I go to bed, and they can figure it out. It's just that simple. So affiliate marketing is so powerful and it's very lucrative. And I think that if you're going to start out online, if you're going to start out online, I highly recommend affiliate marketing. It's lower cost, it's lower overhead. You don't got to worry about all these expenses, right? So that was number 2. Choose your niche. You definitely need to choose your niche. And number three, are you guys ready? Number 3. Can you guys tell me what it is? Anybody? Number 3, the biggest problems, and I wish I knew all this before I even get it started. And this is where a lot of people hang up and a lot of people quit because of traffic. Traffic is the biggest thing to your business. I don't care what program you're out there promoting. I don't care what you sell. I don't care if you have an online business or an offline business. If you don't have traffic, and traffic meaning if you don't know how to send people from point A to point B for them to go to a call to action and take their credit card out and go sell. So what is traffic? Traffic is Facebook ads, right? Whether you're going to do Facebook ads, you're going to do free Facebook ads, or you're going to do paid Facebook ads. Likewise with Instagram, whether you're going to pay Instagram to promote your product or you're going to do it for free, right? Same thing with YouTube. Shoot videos just like this. Talk about the product, create a channel. A lot of people don't realize that they look at all these top gurus and all these top YouTubers online. Like, they think that YouTubers just wake up with like 1 million subscribers. They have to work for it. They gotta put the work in. And most of you guys will, the first thing you say is, well, that person has 300,000 subscribers, and that person had 500,000 subscribers, and that person has 1 million. How am I gonna compete? No, you're not competing, because people gonna love you for you, just like me. Like, people love my channel because of me. People gonna like me for me. A lot of people probably don't like the people who have 1 million subscribers, right? Because they don't connect with them. It's okay. You cannot please everyone in the world. Just work with who is working with you. They always say, go where you're celebrated, not tolerated. So if you want to create your own YouTube channel, feel free, create it, start from scratch, provide value. So when people come on your channel, they're like, all right, Andre is going to be talking about make money or affiliate marketing, or how I can make an extra bucks, or give me some value and tell me how this thing works. That's it. Provide value. That's why you hear people all the time. Value, value, value. It's what is value? Value is like someone go to YouTube and decide that, hey, how can I, you know, how can I find a cool way to, to remove the lens from these sunglasses, right? How many of you guys go on YouTube just to figure out how to do stuff? I go on YouTube every day. Sometimes I can't figure things out. I just go on YouTube or I go on Google. It's simple. So it's the same thing you're doing right now, right? Biggest hookup is definitely traffic. You can also do blogging, write blogs if you gotta write blogs, right? You have Bing AdWords, you have Google AdWords, you have Pinterest, you all that kind of stuff. But a lot of people don't know how to do that because they don't know how to market, right? So those are like the biggest thing that people get hung up on. They go to ClickBank or they go to JVZoo and they start to sign up, and yeah, the products is there. But if you don't know how to market and if you don't know how to drive traffic, at the end of the day, you're not going to make money. Yeah, sometimes you'll probably make a sale here or there, sure. But if you don't know how to market yourself, if you don't know how to properly run a Facebook ad, if you don't know how to properly run an Instagram ad, or to connect a blog post or Google or banner AdWords and all that kind of stuff, right? So if you guys want to learn how to do those things, I'm going to summarize everything under one umbrella, right? I have a free Facebook group that you guys can be a part of. So if you guys want to join it, right, I'm going to leave like my Facebook link down below. I'm not even sure if I'm going to leave my Facebook link down below. Feel free to message me on my page. So message me and say, hey, Andre, right? Hey, I would love to join that group. I'll let you guys in there so you guys can join it. And then you guys can see exactly how marketing is done. I'm going to give you behind the scenes of like Facebook ads, Instagram ads, all that kind of stuff, right? And I'm going to show you a way. But if you guys want to work on a more higher level and you want to take that next step, then there's a link down below that is like my #1 way of making money online. They're going to teach you about different products, different services, how to be a marketer, right? From point A to point Z, how to properly run Facebook ads, how to do Instagram ads, how to do all the different things that you see all these top people online are doing, right? So I know sometimes people like to go out and do it on their own, but come on, if you can get help and be in a place where there's a great community where people all help each other, why not do that? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. That was my 3 tips of why, I wish I knew before I even start affiliate marketing. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a great day. Have a great night. Whatever time you're watching this, hit that likes and subscribe button and notification bell for some more videos. All right. Peace out and talk to you soon.